Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the new tab that shows the material you want removed. Focus on the visible items and mental checklist. Once done, inspect thumbnails, search suggestions, and any embedded content so you know what to remove. Make sure to open the browser settings and the extensions page concurrently so you can act without switching context. This step prevents guessing and saves time. Act deliberately because the next steps will change stored data and display behavior. You now remove the items. Click each thumbnail's remove or close icon and confirm deletion to delete individual traces. Next, go to Clear Browsing Data. Choose appropriate time range and remove cache, cookies, and form suggestions so the material doesn't reappear. Then check extensions. Disable those altering new tab content or uninstall offenders. This prevents future reinsertion. Once complete, reload the new tab to confirm it's blank or back to default. If not, repeat targeted clears. You finish by setting your preferred new tab page to blank or a controlled URL so material won't return. Once done, restart the browser and verify the content is gone. If anything persists, repeat the specific clears for history and caches. If problems continue, boot the browser in safe mode, reset settings to default, or run an unwanted software scan. These steps remove deeply rooted injections. One key troubleshooting tip: disable extensions first, because they often recreate content even after clearing data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.